Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 variant has just surfaced on GeekBench. In other words, it got certified prior to launch. The model number of the device is SMF946B for those of you who are keeping track. All variants of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 worldwide are expected to have the same SoC on the inside. In any case, this model managed to score 1845 points in the single-core test and 5,083 points in the multi-core test. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will fuel this tablet, as expected. This particular version will include 12 gigabytes of RAM. Though more variants end up being announced, we'll have to wait and see what will Samsung have to say later this month. Android 13 is also confirmed by this listing, though. That is to be expected. Android 14 is right around the corner, but it's not out yet. This build of Android 13 will have Samsung's One UI software on top, of course. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will become official next month, alongside its Flip 5 sibling. Not much is expected to change on the Fold 5 as we reported last week. The only major change this year in the Fold series is basically just an upgraded processor. The camera, screen, internals, charging speeds, folding hinge, and basically everything else will remain the same as last year's Fold 4 model. We recommend keeping the Fold 4 instead of upgrading to the Fold 5. And if you are interested in purchasing a Fold for the first time, just purchase a Fold 4. Again, it is the same device and it will be much cheaper. By comparison, these benchmark scores are very, very close to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra model, which is to be expected. Both run the same processor and same amount of random access memory. Now, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, on the other hand, blew both of the previous models out of the sky when comparing performance. The iPhone 14 Pro Max running the Apple. A 16 Bionics processor scored 2504 points in the single-score test and a whopping 6,294 points in the multi-core test. Remember, the benchmark scores tell a lot, but not everything about a processor in real-world usage. Real-world usage also depends on the amount of RAM and UFS storage paired with the processor. Stay tuned to eSIM Studios for everything mobile technology. And subscribe to our channel to get notified when a new video drops or when we go live to cover the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Join us for the launch of the Z Fold 5, as we will be accepting your live call-in to join us to give your opinions of the latest Galaxy foldables released in real time. See y'all on the next one. We out.